Hello and welcome to our discussion on risk management in ISO 20000-1. In this session, we'll explore the principles and practices of risk management as outlined in the ISO 20000-1 standard and its importance in ensuring the delivery of high-quality IT services while mitigating potential risks. Risk management within the context of ISO 20000-1 involves the systematic identification, assessment, prioritization, and management of risks that could impact the achievement of IT service objectives. It encompasses various types of risks, including operational, technical, financial, and strategic risks, and aims to minimize their adverse effects on IT service delivery and performance. Key components of risk management in ISO 20000-1. ISO 20000-1 outlines several key components of risk management that organizations should address to effectively manage risks in their IT service environment. These include risk identification, the process of identifying potential risks that could affect the achievement of IT service objectives, including risk related to service availability, security, performance, and compliance. Risk assessment, evaluating the likelihood and impact of identified risks to determine their significance and prioritize them for further action. Risk treatment, developing and implementing risk treatment plans to mitigate, transfer, or accept risk based on their asset severity and organizational tolerance. Risk monitoring and review, continuously monitoring and reviewing risks to assess their effectiveness and adapt risk management strategies as needed to address changing circumstances. Importance of risk management in ISO 20000-1. Risk management is crucial in ISO 20000-1 as it helps organizations proactively identify and address potential risks that could impact the delivery of IT services. By systematically managing risks, organizations can enhance service resilience, minimize service disruptions, improve decision making, and protect the interest of stakeholders. Benefits of effective risk management. Effective risk management offers numerous benefits to organizations, including improved service reliability and availability. By identifying and mitigating risks, organizations can minimize service disruptions and enhance service continuity. Enhanced decision making. Risk management provides valuable insights into potential threats and opportunities, enabling informed decision making and resource allocation. Greater stakeholder confidence. Demonstrating a proactive approach to risk management instills confidence in stakeholders and enhances organizational reputation. Compliance with regulatory requirements. Risk management helps ensure compliance with legal regulatory requirements related to IT service delivery and data protection. In conclusion, risk management is a critical component of ISO 20000-1 that helps organizations ensure the resilience and reliability of their IT services. By systematically identifying, assessing, and managing risks, organizations can minimize service disruptions, enhance decision making, and protect the interests of stakeholders, ultimately contributing to the success and competitiveness of the organization. Thank you for joining us today, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.